Where are we going?
So we're going to Tenerife on a Canary Island cruise. Look, he wants to be part of it. Look, this night.
Did you have an early morning? Did we hit a big snowstorm and nearly crash? Look at you.
Have you got your seat and everything?
You excited? You excited? You watching? You excited?
Is that you being an airplane, is it?
Yeah?
Yeah. Thank you.
Look what you've done. Look at what you've done. Look at what you've just done.
Yeah, don't let him do it again.
Oh, it's already broken. You want to rip another bit? Don't eat it.
No. Ollie, stop letting him do that. Rory, did you get changed? Is that because you're going to be in the sun?
We changed, didn't we?
Yeah, look at you in your little shorts and your little legs. Look at them. Oh, you're so cute.
Yeah, boy.
You're lovely.
This is perfect landing entertainment. No crying, just pure distractions. Say hello. Welcome to our room. Or should I say, welcome to our cabin.
Just got in, but
Just
I have
got
to
in.
do the kettle straight away because he's starving.
Yeah, he's a hungry boy, but we've not looked outside yet.
Are you ready? Shall I do the big ready?
I want to do it.
Alright.
I'm so excited.
Okay. Alright.
I want to do it with my son. Father and son.
Ready?
Balcony review. Let's roll. We got a sea view today. Facing the sea. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, lovely.
Should we go outside?
Yeah, go on.
Oh, it's lovely.
Oh, look at that.
Welcome to Canary. You loving it? You having a good time? You having a good time? You're happier. He is. Yeah, you can play with a littler spoon. Smaller spoon. Not littler. Oi. Oi. That's my ice cream spoon. I'm going to put some ice cream on the spoon and he's going to feed himself.
Okay.
Morning. It's our first sea day. Morning.
Yeah, and we just had some food delivered
Yeah.
in the morning.
I just come out of the shower to find some roof service and you've already eaten
Well, I've eaten my half.
most of it.
I've eaten my half.
I haven't.
Cereal. And we've just ordered breakfast. Quite low down. It's a little bit choppy out there.
Yeah, I feel sick.
And Katie feels a little bit
I've
sick.
got a tablet to take.
Very full. I got myself an eggs Benedict. I asked for some bacon. I got some scrambled egg on toast. Let's do this.
Let's see.
The first time ever.
Right. Go for it, Rory.
Walk.
Go. Walk.
The world is your oyster. Be
Go
free.
on, drive.
Hello.
Hi.
We'll go down the slide.
Hello.
We'll go down.
Hi.
Ready?
Are you going to go down?
Oh. I'm going. Take you down.
Watch his head. Wow. Dressed up in finery and I wasn't. I find it quite Hello. Yeah.
We've got a feedback. You're going to be in this, my YouTube video. Hello YouTube. Hello to all the fans.
Remember this face? The 3 subscribers, which are our family.
What are you doing? Oi, look at me. Oi, oi, look at me. Little legend. Say say hello. We're sitting at the beach house, aren't we? And you're going to have a bit of steak, aren't you? You're going to have to stop touching stuff though, because you're not touching my lava rock unless I have a change of heart. And don't go for lava rock. If you touch lava rock, you'll be in big trouble. You big naughty boy. This is the boys' night.
Boys' night.
Boys' night eating steak.
I'll leave you to it then.
Yeah, you keep quiet over there and just let us have a good night. What's that you're trying? Do you like it or not? Oh. Not a fan? So, for starter, you've got nachos. There's some black nachos in there. Remember what they're
It's like from Florida. Remember we went to Pandora? And there's like those coloured crisps.
There you go. Pandora. Azura. And I got some pork belly with some bits. And we got a Rory in his rocket. Look at that. It's cooking in front of me. Got some shrimp as well. And even yours is sizzling.
Yeah, it looks really good, doesn't it? Really good.
That is amazing. Rory's still asleep. Gives us a chance to. I'm going to cut into this. Look at this. I need to cook it. You have to excuse my inexperience. Wow. Whoa. Cook that side up. Top job. Got an assembly line going on here. To the right you've got what I'm eating now. And to the left I cut off little bits for cooking. So when I eat one, I cut a new bit. And then I eat the next one and I cut a new bit. Demolished. Even the shrimps are demolished. Oh, Rory woke up, but he stayed in his pram whilst we ate, didn't he? You lovely boy. You lovely boy. You lovely boy. Katie's begging me to eat the rest of that. I'm just so full. I've eaten so much food.
Oh! Okay.
I did. I ate it. I ate it all. Oh. Rory is very excited because our dessert's here and he wants to grab. It's a hanging marshmallow, a pot of chocolate sauce.
Strawberries.
What's in that one then?
That's sugar.
Sugar.
Churros. And banana cake.
Oh, I'll have some churros.
Yep.
Right, Rory. No. Right, I'm going to sit you down, I think.
Yeah, put him in the high
You're being a
chair.
naughty boy. It's over there. Rory's in the night nursery. And you know you're on a cruise ship. All the balls end up going to one side. Good morning from Madeira. It's our first stop. It is just gone 7 o'clock. The sun is rising. And this is the sailing to Madeira. Sunny's out, so we've got to put your sunnies on, haven't we? Hey? You've got to put your sunglasses on. Oh, you look cool.
These all look so cute.
Matches us too. We're in the botanical gardens.
Yeah, we've
By the looks of it, it's not very baby friendly, is it?
Subtropical
I
gardens.
just had to carry him down the stairs in the tram.
Yeah, it's not
I think
great.
this might be a bit of a thing here.
Yeah.
Say goodbye to my back. I broke my back.
Please don't break your back.
I won't. This is the least baby-friendly place I have ever been to in my life. It's so hard to push this pram around.
Yeah, we've just come onto a smoothie
But
bit
I
now.
finally found a smoothish bit.
Smoothish.
But we still have to go up the steps to get back.
Like, way up there.
But that don't stop. That don't stop Team Supreme from doing this journey. Friendly. Fishes.
You see the fish, darling? Look, hooray! Look. Fishies in the water, fishies in the sea. We all jump up with the 1, 2, 3.
Hello.
Hello, where are we?
Hello, sausage.
And that is our ship. Isn't it? The front one?
Yeah. Hola. Or hello from Madeira. And we are getting a nice lolly. And I've got myself a classic watermelon. This is what you got to get on holidays. This is every European holiday. Got to get one of these, and you're going to try one, aren't you? Before me. You can try it before me. Do you want me to soften it up, yeah, actually? I like it. Look, this is a graveyard. What a cool place to get buried.
Is that not like
No.
Oh no, it is actually a graveyard. Yeah, you're right.
Look at that. He has been asleep. Wouldn't be a holiday without a nice local beer. What have you got in there?
I don't know, it was fruity cider. It was really nice.
Fruity cider. What's Rory got? That looks
He's
nice.
got milk.
You scrunch it up. Oh, it's in the mouth. Oh no, he's eating it. Right, that's it now. No more. You're done. You're done. You had a good day in Madeira? It's nearly 3 o'clock. Been here, there and everywhere. Just went for a drink.
Yeah, we're just slowly making our way back.
And there is our ship. Waiting for us. Rory's making a noise in there.
Where should we go?
It's been a lovely day in Madeira. We are gonna have some dinner soon. Just enjoying the last bit of sun on the balcony.
Just appreciating the view.
It's beautiful.
Lovely. Lovely Madeira. So we've just come for breakfast on our own. And him and her to make her feel better. You give him back a drink? Yeah. He's such a good boy. hit yourself in the head. Hello, Daddy's still not feeling well, so we have come for afternoon tea. And Rory's fed. And who did we just meet? We just met Sean the sheep, didn't we? Hello, back at the room. You look very cute. And how's Daddy feeling?
It's been a rough 24 hours.
It's not been good, has it?
No.
No. Any better? Okay, you want to see the camera? And tell Daddy what you've just done. You just saw Sean the sheep. Yeah, and then we went and had afternoon tea, didn't we? Yeah, we did. Poor Ollie. We did it though, right? Yeah. So somebody's finally stopped napping today and finally feeling a little bit better.
Yeah, it's been a tough day.
It has. So we've just dropped Rory at the night nursery just so I can sort a few bits out and we can just relax a little bit.
First bit of food since
And
yesterday.
this is his first bit of food since yesterday. And yeah, it looks very fancy, doesn't it? What do you think of it?
It's not expected. But
No, it's not very many nachos,
I just
is it?
ordered nachos.
What are these?
I don't know.
Well, it's probably not the day to try and find out, is it?
I'm a bit scared.
Yeah, just be careful. Alright, well, I'm glad you're feeling better and hopefully we'll have a good day tomorrow, fingers crossed.
Yeah. We are in La Palma. I had a rough ride being ill. I think I'm better. I've not really eaten yet apart from my nachos, which wasn't that much. And I go try and have some breakfast and enjoy the day because it's been tough. It's been a tough ride for Ollie. It's been a real tough ride.
Just heading back on the ship now. Get some food, yeah?
Not for me.
Well, not for you. For me.
This way.
Just put Rory down for a nap and Ollie's really not feeling well again. He's feeling worse than he was, so he's sleeping as well, unfortunately. So I really hope he feels better soon because it's been a big downer for the holiday. Rory is still napping, so I brought back some food to the cabin so I could have some dinner. But Ollie couldn't stand the smell, so I've come outside, but it's actually okay to eat dinner outside because it's really nice view. And I got a pad thai to eat, and I got like a chocolate orange dessert. So pad thai for lunch, and I really liked it. So I'm looking forward to eating this. How are you feeling? Better?
Not too bad.
Good. Hopefully we can enjoy the last couple of days. We're a little bit late to go to Fuerteventura because they had to turn the boat around because someone was ill.
Not me.
No, not you, thankfully. But we're on our way, nearly there, and over there is Lanzarote. So we got to see another Canary Island, didn't we? And I'm still on dolphin watch. Haven't seen any yet. But yeah, check in when we get to Fuerteventura. But no point now.
Nothing.
Ah.
Hello from Fuerteventura. There are some fish
And it just shows you how clear the water is as well.
in the water.
In the water.
These are cruise ships. We are here later today. It's very hot today. We are on the hunt for a fridge magnet.
Yes, we are. You haven't been there unless you've got.
I haven't seen one yet.
No, there was one souvenir shop we passed, but it was closed.
So far, it's pretty dead here, I have to say.
Yeah, it is. It's not as busy as the panel was in that town centre, but it's still got a fair few people.
It's taken us a little while just to find this strip. It is hot. Hot, hot. It is the start of March. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. It's a bell. 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock bell. How cute are you in your little McDonald's chair? Look at this little chair. Look at him. Look at this little peanut boy in his little McDonald's chair. We can't even have a McDonald's in peace with you. He's pulling the trays off. Why don't you play of that? Play of that. Play of anything but the tray. Stop pulling my burgers off. He's not even interested in this. Yeah, and you play of that. Look at this. It's a Fortaventura. Mackies. Look at my fries. Oh yeah. And my burger. Wow. Now that is giving me an appetite back.
Really good.
I am back, baby. I am back. We are back. We are back. Ollie's back. He's back. He's back. Ollie's back. He's back and he's eating. Oh yeah. Yummy. All that excitement over nothing. I don't have an appetite. I literally I've had to beat up the burger because I just can't eat it. So I had a fight with it, basically.
Little man's asleep in the snooze shed. And there's our ship. And there is the Fortaventura sign, which actually you can't see it because everyone's walking in front of it, but that's the sign. What do you think? Hot today?
It's well hot.
I'm sweating.
Yummy, yummy. What do you got? What's that? Popcorn chicken.
Popcorn chicken and lamb.
Lamb. And because of my poor appetite,
It's a bit pathetic, isn't
we're
it?
just sharing a popcorn chicken. It does look a bit bony. Is it
like
bony?
wings, is it?
I don't think so. I think it is.
And you're just eating your toy.
These for your boat.
Say hello, Rory. Say hello, Ben. Uncle Ben. Like the rice.
Yeah, that's me.
Oh. Hello. Hello, mister. Hello, Mr. Sir. Hello, Edwin.
Rory.
Hello, Edwin.
Rory. Rory.
Rory.
Can you give me a high five?
Give Edwin a high five.
High five. Come on. What do you reckon?
Give
on.
Edwin a high five.
Come on.
Oh, oh la
lovely.
la.
Clap hands now.
Oh la la.
Clap hands now.
Clap,
One
clap,
more.
clap.
Come on.
Oh yeah.
One more. One more.
One more, bad boy.
No, just leave it. Let me see what it is. Wonderful. Come on, one more.
Now, where's my food? 'Cause it's my bedtime.
Well done, my boy. Well done.
Well done. Your food is next. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, with him on me. Now look what I got.
An hour and a half.
Sliders. Sliders. Pasta. Sliders. Peri-peri chicken. Some beef brisket. And some a lamb. With a complimentary tray of fries. Do you want to try a fry? Yeah, I have. Say hello to everybody.
Hello.
I've got Uncle Ben in already. Uncle Ben's rice. We are going to Laura Park. Oh yeah, aren't we? Are you excited?
He looks so excited.
Laura Parky, Laura Parky, Laura Park.
Little man just wants to be carried, doesn't he? Yeah. It is lovely, lovely, lovely.
What do you think?
It's Michael Jackson. Penguins. Oh, it's snowing. It's snowing. Look at that one. Just come to say hello. Look at them. Say hello. Say hello, penguins. What are you looking at?
Quick little pit stop. What have we got for?
I got a crepe with Nutella and strawberries.
Yummers.
And you got a baguette with salami and cheese.
Oh, I just fancy a bit of salami.
What do you think? You like? You like? Alright. Is that right? Do you like that one? Look, here it comes. Do you like it? Woo! Just trying to grab the fish.
You try to grab the fish.
Good attempt, Rory. Good attempt.
Look at this one. What about this then? You're the last bit of room service.
Right. Where's my jam? Where's my jam?
Me jam.
Okay, that's alright. Need my jam. And also, they said this
And
is
this is
full
for
of
me.
cream, so.
Ready?
Oh, it is.
Booyashka. Booyashka. Oh, I could give some sauce. Turds. My chaps.
Gaily stressed.
Ollie, please get that away. It is not the time. We are literally meant to be meeting them now. Come on, let's go.
no.
Kelly.
I'm very stressed. Stop it.
Really stressed.
You're literally not even helping me, Ollie. Don't.
Ollie stressed too.
Will you
Not.
I don't know what you're talking about. Do some action on here.
It's not my fault. I had a poo like 5 minutes before I meant to meet for the flipping
Right,
bus.
I'll put the camera down now. What do you want me to do? Okay, I'm done.
Just pack everything away.
Yeah, it's all packed. Apart from the nappy changing thing.
There you go. Ollie.